10 Best Water Tables of 2021. Top Tested Backyard Water Tables for Toddlers and Kids. When the weather gets warm and it's time for some backyard fun, set up a water table. Kids, especially toddlers and preschoolers, can't resist running their hands in the cool water, scooping up big cupfuls and hearing the splash as they pour it out again. And that's a good thing. Water tables offer a sensory experience that help kids practice gross and fine motor coordination, understand cause and effect, work on their hand-eye coordination, experiment with gravity and other STEM concepts, and even practice sharing and turn-taking, if you get one that's big enough for multiple kids to use at once. The 10 Best Water Tables. Best Space-Saving Water Table, Step 2 Waterfall Discovery Wall. Best Water Table for Siblings, Little Tikes Spiral and Seas Water Table. Best Water Table with Built-in Game, Little Tikes Fish in Splash Water Table. Best Water Table with a Cover, Step 2 Cascading Cove Sand and Water Table. Best Water Table for Toddlers, Step 2 Summer Showers Splash Tower Water Table. Best Sensory Water Table, Step 2 Rain Showers Splash Pond Water Table. Best Water Table for Multiple Kids, Step 2 Ball Buddies Adventure Center. Best Water Table for Big Kids, Lakeshore Giant Economy Sand and Water Table. Best Multi-Purpose Water Table, Best Choice Products Kids 3-in-1 Sand and Water Table. Best Looking Water Table, Creighton Kids Sand and Water Table. All the shop links above can be found on the description below. What to consider when choosing a water table. The biggest factor is going to be size. How much water table can your yard handle? Unfortunately, these are big, bulky items that take up a lot of room no matter what, but there are options if you have a smaller space. After you've decided on the size, look into the materials you want. Plastic is the most common, easiest to care for and least expensive, but it looks like, well, plastic. There are water tables that look more like furniture, or convert to picnic tables and play tables, but those are going to cost more. And finally, look into the features each water table offers. Some features are utilitarian. Look for drain plugs to empty the tables when not in use, covers and lids, umbrellas or divided areas so you can use sand and water in one unit. Then there are the fun features, scoops, chutes, spinners, toys and accessories that may or may not come included. If you've decided on a water table that comes with fewer frills, you can always supplement with your own bath toys, like this Munchkin fishing game. How to clean and care for a water table. Since water tables are mostly used outside, they can easily get gunky. It's important to clean and disinfect the table and its associated toys. Keeping it clean with warm water and soap, and use a hose to help remove debris and grime. Like bath toys, water table toys can get moldy on the inside, so keep an eye out and replace them if they get too moldy to clean with a solution of vinegar and water. If the toy has sand, regularly change the sand out, too. And when it's not in use, cover it as best you can with a weather-resistant covering and keep it out of the sun, since sun can damage plastic toys. How to keep water tables safe. As with any water toy, water tables for toddlers and kids require adult supervision at all times. It's good to consult the American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, guidelines for drowning prevention before buying a water table. The AAP notes that drowning risk is highest during the toddler years, and kids can drown in any open-top water container including buckets, wading pools or coolers with melted ice. They recommend draining any water container after each use.